What's going on, everybody? What we came to talk about here in today's video is Nvidia stock, what to expect from Nvidia here this upcoming month. Also, I'm going to be giving you my price prediction, stock analysis, and a few other catalysts that you need to look out for. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. Now, if you guys did catch my video here yesterday, then you know about the do this now, make money here tomorrow, which is today. I let everyone know about a hedge option play here in Nvidia for this upcoming earnings, and that was that $125 strike on the put side of things with the expiration of 8:30. I let everyone know that the reason why we were playing short puts and longer calls was that is my approach. If I feel as though that company is going to have a great earnings, just to hedge myself, I would do a short out on the put side and a longer expiring call. Like I told you guys before, my calls expires 9/13 at the $140 strike. My put expires here in tomorrow. Okay, so with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, just the opposite way. If I feel like a stock is going to have a bad earnings, I would actually get my calls closer towards expiration in my puts a little bit longer out. Here in Nvidia, total opposite. I got those puts to expire here today at the $125 strike, and my calls expire 9/13. I made that video letting everyone know if you want to make money here today, this is the best way to go, and today we made money. So if you did take that advice here in yesterday's video, ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the comment section below by saying I gotcha. Now, what we came to talk about is price prediction moving forward for Nvidia this upcoming month. If we take a brief look and just check out Nvidia here on the week chart, ladies and gentlemen, not too much. We're just steady climbing here. Let's get a better one. Let's get a 4-hour. A 4-hour tick would be a little bit better to analyze, but scoot this over slightly. Now, as you guys know, the earnings call wasn't as great as we all expected it to be. But with that being said, we didn't get a lot of information that a lot of people were expecting to hear. With that being said, we do see a retracement here in the stock. Also in yesterday's aftermarket trading when that earnings report was going on, we did stream it here on the channel. And if you did catch that stream here on the channel, can you please comment the words I was there? All right, I just want to see how many people continuously watch the channel on a day-to-day basis. Now, as you guys know, with our contract expiring here tomorrow, I am looking to sell this thing. We only got 15 minutes left here in the trading day, but with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that I'm going to sell the rest of my contracts here tomorrow. I still hold majority. No, I sold majority here earlier today, but I still hold a few of them because I do feel as though that we may see this continue to fall. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is just a risk taking thing that I do. I don't suggest for anyone else to take that approach. I am much more aggressive when it comes to options trading here, if you ask me. But again, ladies and gentlemen, if you did take that advice, let me know. But as you guys can see here, we're on the overall overtrend. I know a lot of investors were screaming out that Nvidia is currently overvalued here, and if you ask me, ladies and gentlemen, I think not. I do feel as though that we are just getting our feet wet here in this AI frenzy, and with Nvidia being on the forefront, actually making strategic partnerships and speeding up, should I say, that future that everyone is talking about when it comes to AI, ladies and gentlemen, Nvidia is not overvalued. I feel as though that this company will see a market cap within the next 10 years. Not only Nvidia, we're going to see Microsoft go very big in market cap. Facebook has a lot of more room to run. Facebook, I just say Facebook, Nvidia, AMD, and a few others. Apple, maybe Apple, but I do see a huge future with Facebook. But as far as Nvidia goes, ladies and gentlemen, I do see this thing reaching levels as high as $5 trillion here within the next 10 years, ladies and gentlemen. That is slightly under doubling its market cap, but with the high demand of AI, basically you're going to see AI basically in every electronic within the next 10 years. With that being said, who's going to be on that forefront? Nvidia will be, ladies and gentlemen. Nvidia is going to be mentioned basically in every corner of this space. So with that being said, if you're currently holding Nvidia stock, I want to know your price prediction here for the month of September. Before you hear mine, don't cheat, ladies and gentlemen. Go and drop your comment here now. But again, let's talk about my price prediction. We're currently here on the downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. We do got a small gap around that $109 levels. But with that being said, I do feel as though that this thing is going to continue to retrace here tomorrow. All right, I do feel as though that we're going to see those levels around $115, but next week I do feel as though that Nvidia is going to be on a full-fledged turn around, and that is why I'm still holding my calls. Yes, we are down on those calls, ladies and gentlemen, but the money that we made here on our puts have recouped those losses and then some. So with that being said, we do stand a great chance to retrace back towards those $109. But my high end in the month of September, I do feel as though that Nvidia stands a very great chance to see those $148 levels, between $148 and $156. I do feel as though that we're going to see a rally here in Nvidia here pretty soon. Now, the upcoming catalyst that you may want to look out for is Nvidia's potential announcements of some new GPUs, including updates with their GeForce and their Tesla lines. Could serve as catalysts, but some people may say it's already baked into the price. Now, their partnerships and acquisitions, like from such automotive sectors, as you all know, anything that has to deal with autonomous driving has been looking to Nvidia for their technology. With that being said, Nvidia's partnership in that sector, we may hear an announcement on that here pretty soon. Also, the market expansion, Nvidia's expansion into new markets such as gaming, AI-driven healthcare, and metaverse development could be significant. Updates in these initiatives could lead to increased investor confidence, ladies and gentlemen. So we do expect for a few other catalysts that can be and should be announced this quarter here before the next earnings report. So with that being said, also those are a few things to be looking out for, which can come out any day now. Now, another thing I want to point to you guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted XRTX, as you guys can see here, for the entry price of $1.50 early this morning. And if we take a brief look and check out XRTX, as you guys can see here, the stock actually ran as high as $2.97 again from our $1.50 alert entry here this morning, and that is what you call a home run play. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see here, price target hit after price target. So again, if you do want to be a part of our Discord server so you too can get all of my alerts in real time, all you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, activate the 7-day free trial, and let the gains begin. As you guys can see here, we did reach and breach our latest price target of $2.80. So again, don't forget to consider joining the Discord, and may the gains be with you.